Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
The best split keyboard kit reviews. Velvet Split Cambered Ergonomics Mechanical Keyboard. 1.2. 4G single mode not same with Bluetooth. 2. 4G USB-A receiver is necessary or the keyboard without off work. Type-C connector only for recharge. 2. 1200 mAh to PC's polymer battery included with all options. 3. Purchase default to accept it's not perfect. Arc-shaped case made through PLA 3D printing technology and has some textures on the surface. Please know in advance that it is not perfect before purchasing.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.